Hi, this is iFlight. Welcome to Defender 20 Lite tutorial. This tutorial includes contents as below. Overview. O4 Air Unit Pro Activation and FPV Goggles Binding. ELRS, TBS Binding and RC Link Instruction. DJI FPV Controller and FPV Goggles Binding. Betaflight Setup. Remote Controller and TX Module Setting. Usage of the charging adapter. Replacement of the propeller guard propellers installation. Propeller maintenance. Pre-flight check. Possible reasons for successful binding but failure to arm. iFlight's newly upgraded Defender series, a lightweight sinew hook equipped with DJI O4 Air unit. Featuring a compact 2-inch palm size, easy to carry. With low flight noise, it enables indoor filming without disturbance. The prop guard can be quickly disassembled with only 4 screws, allowing for more agile flight. Perfect for indoor flying, short trips, camping, and everyday shooting scenarios. Experience a new level of FPV cinematic flight. Next, let's explore the accessories in the Defender 20 Lite pack. 1 Defender 20 Lite. 1 600 mAh 95C2S battery. 1 Defender 20 Lite charging adapter. 2 CW propellers. 2 CCW propellers. 1 accessories pack. 1.5 mm wrench. 2.0 black Phillips mini screwdriver. Propeller removal tool. 1 battery pad. 1 sticker. 1 safety warning card. 1 disclaimer. 1 after-sales service card. That's all for this episode. In the next episode, we will introduce O4 Air Unit Pro Activation and FPV Goggles Binding.